Oh yeah, I have a GoPro mount. Yeah, you want to go? This one's way nice. Yeah, this one's way, and it's calm as hell today. Yeah, so if we're gonna throw your house up on the market, right? First thing we do is, client contacts it. I like to go out and actually physically get in the property before I start running any numbers on it, simply because I want to get an idea of the space, the location. What's this place actually feel like? And I actually prefer to see. I tell clients, I'm like, don't get it ready for me. I want to see it how you live in it, right? Because I want to get in that house and I don't want them spraying air freshener basically to cover up anything. I want to know the house just how it is on a daily. Get through it. I like to then go back and then we do full market analysis and we start breaking down. Okay, figure out what our price is, get all the paperwork signed, and then really I like to tell people it's a 2-week process, right? So we sign the contract. Now we've got basically a 2-week process of we're gonna get the sign in the yard, get the photos done, get the videos done, get the layouts, start pulling our entire marketing package together because we only get one shot for that first impression, and I don't want to go back later and redo it. So I'm not putting it on the market if the sign's not in the yard. So all our website stuff, our video stuff, all of that has to be, I like it. We've got a process for all those things, but with every property, right, it's somewhat custom for that house because every house is different and you're selling something different. You're selling a lifestyle. You're selling, if we're selling a waterfront property, we're selling that lake life. And that's what we're doing. So you build that custom marketing strategy basically for that. It hits the market and everything's ready. It's all there. And then it's really the harder part. Because now we're looking at, we're negotiating contracts and we're making sure that, we're representing our client. Real estate, you're dealing with a lot of money. So anytime you're dealing with a large asset like that, you want to make sure your T's are crossed and your I's are dotted and you're doing everything you need to do to, make sure you're putting your client in a peculiar situation. Right. You want to make sure your seller's disclosure statements are filled out accurately and honestly. Wire fraud is the biggest fraud right now in the country. And that's where the client's going to a closing, right? And the buyer, is bringing the money and somehow emails get intercepted and people are, siphoning off hundreds of thousands of dollars, in order to, scam a client. So those are all the things that we think about when we start, into a contract. This kid, he's all nervous.